It's your girl, We're Secrets. I'm at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, tell their mama and them, they daddies and them, and they partners in them, because we lit it over here. Without further ado, today is going to be like a mini medium type haul from, I don't know if I'm going to mix it up or I'm just going to keep everything with its brand. So we're going to do Temu, and then watch the next video and you'll see a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a little bit of something. So we have Temu, of course. Why do I keep going to Temu? Because I keep saying, oh my goodness, I need that. Every time I make an order, oh, I need that. Or somebody needs that, or this and that, and like every time. And I swear, every time I go in there, they got some new stuff. Of course, y'all know I love my music. So I seen these little dupes of the, I guess they're supposed to be like the ones that the Apple. Oh, this box is tore up to the blow up. Make me want to throw up. No, these boxes be horrible. Yeah, I guess it's supposed to be like this. I got green because y'all know my phone is green. This is all they put in here. Hold on, is this supposed to be like a charger? Oh, here's the charger right here. I guess I'll keep those for the instructions. We're gonna throw stuff away as we go. I got some more of these because I use, what is it, Urban RX. It's a face cleaner. I probably use it like once or twice a week because it is like, it's not harsh, but it gets your face real clean. It's not something that you would use on the daily. It's like one of those cleansers that you use like once a week to kind of go through your face regimen. And they actually come with two. And I think the last time I was on here, I had got the pink ones, y'all, because I told y'all the ones that came with my Urban RX, I think one fell in the toilet or by the toilet, and then the other one, either way, I just got some of these. It's good to have these. They're disposable, so I got those. Nana Rear got a new phone for her birthday, so I just got her cases. Y'all, they got nice cases on there. Just make sure you search the type of phone you have. And they got screen protectors on there for the cheap. They're cheaper than Amazon. So I got her and Mama Rear. Did I say Mama Rear or Nana Rear? Well, I got both of them cases and screen protectors for their phone for the cheap. So definitely go in there if you're looking for cute phone cases. I got this ring, y'all. They be having cute little you know, costume jewelry like rings. Oh, I hope y'all ain't crooked or too crooked. It's just cute, especially like when I'm taking pictures or, you know, of my hands. You know, uploading TikTok is good to have a little blingage, just something cute, a little decoration. Watch somebody like, she trying to stunt. Oh, with that fake jewelry on. No, I'm not. Y'all know me, ain't no shame in my game. I'll let y'all know when something real or real fake. But I thought this was cute, and it sparkles. A little razzle dazzle. And I think I've showed y'all my rings that I've gotten from did I say AliExpress? Temu. If I said anything about the Express, I mean all of this stuff is from Temu. I'm tripping. Now it's been a long week. Long week. The week has been long, honey. Oh, I'm trying to make sure I'm getting everything. Okay, wait, this got my name on it, so I'm just about to cut this open and then just show y'all everything. Well, I don't mind having my name on it, but it got my address on there. You know, I love y'all family members, but there's some people out there that ain't family members, so you know, you gotta stay away from the creeps. The creeps, they don't just only come out at night, you heard? So, oh, this fell out the box. Hold on, y'all. It's a situation. And if y'all hear something, that's not me over here passing gas. It's my chair. Somebody probably like, she just so comfortable. She over there passing gas. No, it's the chair, honey. Don't try me. Don't try me. Okay. All right. So we got a lot of stuff. Got some rhinestones because I feel like I'm gonna be doing a little arts and craft project in the future. Y'all definitely know about it. I got 2 packs. I got purple. Y'all know purple's my favorite color. These are really small, but they'll make do. And then I can always use those for my nails. I got some more earring backs. You can't never have too many earring backs because I always lose mine when I'm asleep because I'm a heavy sleeper. And y'all, I'll be sleeping with my face like in the pillow, like just dumb. So I got some more earring backs, and their earring backs are like 80, 50 cents, stuff like that. So it's just good to have. Yeah, and I'll be wearing headbands, and then like when I be taking my headbands or my hats off, they be coming off in my car and stuff, y'all. Just a mess. Then I got this audio aux cord for my car just to have extra pieces to like play music and stuff. Because I'm trying to convert from not using my phone all the time because I like use my phone for my phone. And then when I'm in my car, I also use my phone for directions. I use it for music. So it's just like conserve my battery because I try not to charge my battery I try not to charge my battery in my car because y'all, I just had to replace my car battery. I didn't even do it, y'all. My grandma, Nana Rare, she be up in there. She be doing it. And my grandma, my 70-year-old grandma, and if somebody in the comments was like, she had her, my grandma volunteered. So don't get in my comments trying to be snazzy, okay? Because you will get blocked. But yeah, y'all, my grandma, she did my battery. She took my battery out. She put my battery in. But y'all, the fact that I had to buy a new battery, because I know they, go dead after a couple years. But y'all, I was mad. I'm mad anytime I got to spend unnecessary money. So yeah, I'm trying to conserve my battery and not charge anything in my car unless it's like detrimental. I also got this little, it's a car MP3 player output thing. Because I was like, if I could use like my MP3 players and stuff instead of using my phone when I'm in the car, that's good. So this actually goes into the cigarette thing, and you can actually put the, put this in here, connect it to your MP3 player. Alright. Am I doing it right? Okay. Connect that in here, put your MP3 player right there, and then it can play through the aux thing. Or you can play on the radio and answer phone calls. So this was like $3, y'all. Now if you see something on there that's like, looks overpriced, take a picture of it, like screenshot it, and then search the photo. And then you can always find like the cheaper item of the thing that you're looking for. Y'all know I was born in the 90s. When I was brought up, we had MP3 players, we had the iPod, we had CD players, cassette players, but definitely CD players. I actually did have a CD player. Yes, I'm telling my age, don't curve. But y'all, I'm going back to the roots. Like, yeah, everybody can use everything on their phones. That's cute and dandy, but I'm going back to MP3 players. MP3 players are where they're at. Like, I'm going back old school. So I purchased this MP3 player. Yeah, I think you can like wear this as a necklace or something. And then this is basically what you would put the aux cord through there, and then put this through where you would put your headset at and play it to your car. This was like $2 or $3. The old school kind. All I need is the play stop button, to turn the volume up and all that stuff. So if you're into listening to MP3 players, I think they might have cassettes and CD players on there. I'm not sure. But definitely go on there. I know in my last video I told y'all about these SD cards. Y'all, they have the cheap ones. Can y'all see me? This is 128. Did I get the right one? Hold on. 128 gigabytes. Yeah. So it lets you know how many songs you can put on here. So you can put on 2,000 songs, 100 or 1,600 images, 12 hours worth of footage, and 1 gigabyte of like directions and stuff like that. But yes, if you're looking for SD cards and stuff like that, they even go all the way up to like, I think, what is it, 256 or 250? Whichever one is after 128. What else we got? I got a Pulse. I'm country. A Pulse oximeter, whatever. For my family, the ones that don't have nails. When I go to the hospital, they either use my toe or my ear. So just something to have. You know, they got stuff on there. They got the blood pressure readers on there. They got thermometers. They got stethoscopes, and they got all types of medical stuff. So if you need that, you know, it's probably cheaper than going through insurance or going through, you know, like the medical type of stores. So definitely go in there and check that out. This is another just, I'm not going to open this because this is actually going to someone, but you can plug this up to the little wall thing that goes into the wall for your phone charger thing. But on here it has so many different like adapter things that can either go into like your phone or an iPod or the iPhone, like just different things you can use to charge your phone. It just depends on which thing is linked to your phone. It's like a universal charger thing. What else? This ring, I think this ring is actually for my Nana, so I'm not gonna open that. But it's just something cute and snazzy. She likes silver, stainless steel or silver jewelry. I got this for me. I thought this was cute. It's like a little rose on a vine type of situation. Yeah. Y'all know I love this flower thing. This is a kid's purse, but I figure I can use this to put in my purse. To put little stuff in it. Maybe like lip gloss or, you know, something. But y'all know I love this flower. It's so cute. Why do I feel like this keep moving? Or do I keep hitting it and not knowing it? I don't know if I got this. So cute. So cute. Of course, I got me some more of these to put in my air fryer when I'm cooking. So I don't have to clean out the air fryer. And they be cheap, y'all. This is my grandma's ring because she wears a size 8 to 9. So that's hers too. Then I had got this, y'all, just to try it. I actually did this manually. I remember one time I was on the clock. I want to say I had like a few more hours of my shift. And my head just was like pounding. And I'm the type of person I like to ride it out. I don't like to like take medicine unless I really have to, since I'm already on a lot of medications because of my MS. And, you know, I'm a diabetic. So I try to just ride out my pain. But just this day, I mean, my head was pounding. And I remember seeing something that says like, you know, if you hold this down like your pressure point right here between your thumb and your pointer finger, it kind of eases it. And it actually did ease it. And I remember one time I was on Temu and I had seen this, but it's the actual pressure point little acupuncture type of device, and you just put it on there. Hold on, y'all, because I know my hand is huge. And it kind of pressure points this. You don't feel any, it's not no type of sting or nothing like that. There's nothing electric in this or anything. It's just this little pinch thing, and it kind of pinches that right there. And I figure I could, you know, do this because when I was doing it, my hand was getting tired. So I was just a little something to have. This box right here, we see a straw. I actually got this from Mama Rare because I had got her a cup before, and the cup came with a busted top. I tried to order another replacement top, it didn't fit. So basically we got a cup without a top. So I figure I can get her this, and as you can see, the top is perfect, and it came with a straw. And I ain't buying Mama Rare no more cups because even though this is from Temu, them cups is like $20. No thank you. And I think I bought a family member one of these acupuncture things too. It's acupressure point. So yeah. And why did I buy this, y'all? I don't know. This is a mini electric iron, and I thought it was cute just to have. Yeah, I need to know because we have an iron downstairs. Sometimes I don't even be feeling like ironing my clothes. My mom be like, just give it here, I'll iron it. I'm like, dude, it's just a t-shirt. She like, you're such a boy. Like, I know, like, I'll just throw on a t-shirt, it'd be wrinkled. It don't be too wrinkled, but it just be like, I ain't about to over-explain myself. It be clean, though. It be clean. And then I got this show for my car, because until I can get my car detailed, I do need to vacuum it a little bit, because I actually have a little vacuum, but that's for in the house for, like, when I vacuum my stairs, because my stairs is carpet. And I figured, like, I can use this for my car, and so I get my car detailed, and then whatever's, like, in my car. I want to cross-contaminate and use the other one I use in the house for the car too, because that's just like, So, I have a feeling that this is so crooked. Y'all, if this is crooked, I'm so sorry. And then it said it has strong suction. Hopefully it does. And you can charge it. Come with this little charger. So, I don't know. Hopefully it works. I'll let y'all know if it works or not. I want to say this was about like $6. So yeah, we'll see if it works. So yeah, y'all, that is part 1. I don't even gonna say it's part 1, but that's what's all for this video for Temu. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.